Have you ever just wondered what things are for? You can see behind us that we have a whole bunch of toys and tools and stuff, but what is it? What is it all for? We all know what this is. What is this, girls?
Toothbrush.
It's a toothbrush. What do you use a toothbrush for?
Brush your teeth.
It's a cleaning device for your teeth, right? But do you know what this is? Is it a rock?
No.
You know what is it for?
It's to scrub your toilet.
It's kind of. Can you see it? Get really close. Okay, so this little thing is called a pumice stone. And yes, it helps to clean toilets. It can get stuff, stains off of like in your shower or in your toilet or just on the ground that some other cleaning devices like a toothbrush can't get. So we are going to show you how it works and things that you can do around the house to help your mom. What is that? That says for dogs. We're not using that. We're going to go with the pumice stone. All right, come with us. Let's go. Okay, so we made it into the bathroom, and don't these girls just look so happy to clean a toilet for mom? She's out of here. Get back here. Come here. Okay.
I just hold the tools up.
Okay, you hold the tools up. Okay, what do you got there, Jenny? So have you ever seen your mom?
Scrubber, and another scrubber.
Yeah, that's probably been in a toilet, so don't scrub the wall, okay? All right, sometimes those just don't work, and so you need the pumice stone, what Julie has. And so we look over here.
Some special one.
Yeah. And we've all seen this. We've seen a toilet, right?
Yes.
But the problem is it has water in there. So I'm gonna show you a cool trick to get the water out. All right, Jenny, fill the bucket up with water in the tub. No, in the tub.
Oh, okay.
You can put it on the ground.
Let's just let that sit for a day.
Okay, instead of getting a bucket or a cup and trying to get that water out of there because it's not good to have the water in there, you pour the water down the drain and the water will just disappear. Okay, stop. See, it all went away. Hardly any water left. Cool little trick, huh?
Yeah.
So now you can see that there's some stains right there. Wait, don't do it yet. You need to put the gloves on, Broso. Sicko.
I do?
Yeah, you want to put gloves on. That's gross. All right, time for gloves. Okay, girls have got the gloves on. This is gonna be so much fun.
Yeah.
All right, Julie, time to scrub. Get all around it. So, and don't get your hair in the toilet. Oh my gosh, get your hair back. Here, I'll hold your hair. That's another thing. If you're watching, you're supposed to hold the hair back if your sister or your mom or your girlfriend someday are throwing up so they don't get hair in there. So you scrape. Scrape. Julie, now get over on the, no, Jenny, you stop it. No, Julie, more over to your right. Yeah, over in there. See all that ring? See all that stuff? Yeah, get back in there.
Now it's getting way more dirtier.
It'll wash off.
How?
It just washes. When you flush the toilet, it'll wash off. You guys are so good. Mom is going to be so happy with you.
No, she's not.
And you're scrubbing. And you're supposed to be singing a song. I'm scrubbing the toilet. And this
Okay, I'm done.
You're done? Okay.
I'm done.
All right, let's not put that on the counter right where we wash our hands that's been in the toilet with poop. Okay, so how about you put it on the floor right next.
Let's wash
Yeah.
my hands. I'm gonna wash my hands, look. Washing my hands all day long. Washing my hands all day.
All right, Julie, flush the toilet now, and that'll bring the water back, and then rinse all that out. See how it washes it away?
So clean.
So clean now. All right, and now, what is this thing? What do you think this is for? Do you know what it's for, Julie? You don't know? Is it for, oh, I'm hot. Oh, it's a fan. It cools me off. Is it that? No? Is it to spank your bum?
No.
No? Oh, okay. Huh. Now this one is an older one. Can you see what these are? They used to use these all the time in the olden days. And I'm gonna show you what it's for. All right, before I show you what it is, I totally forgot to do Julie's hair for school today. This is totally how she went to school. So shh, don't tell Mom, okay? Mom might get us in trouble. And you notice we probably should have wiped off her face before we did this video because she was eating a donut, a powdered donut. Okay, back to what this is. So we have Julie, she's behind the camera and she's gonna be filming me. And I'm gonna show you what it's for now. But have you ever had to take your shoes off and now you wanna put them on and you're just struggling to put them on and you gotta bend over and before you know it, you kind of fall down and struggle to put your shoe on. So they came up with an invention, one of these. And look, you can pull it apart. Woo-hoo. And put it right down here on your heel, in your shoe, and it just slides your shoe right on. Pretty nifty, huh? Now, in the olden days, people would put these in their suitcases to travel with them, but sometimes it's hard. They don't want to bend all the way down like this to put your shoe on. And so they made this little stick longer so you don't even have to bend down to put your shoe on. And that's what it's for. Pretty nifty, huh?
Yeah. Pretty nifty.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you liked it, please press the subscribe button and share with your friends. And I have one last question for you. Why do you stick batteries in a fridge? I don't know. We'll answer that on our next video. So stay tuned, and until then, see ya. Bye.
Bye. Happy